YouTube, what's going on? Kevin the Tech Ninja, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the Trend Micro Home Network Security. And what this does is sits on your network as a safeguard, if you will. A little bit more than virus protection, a little bit more than a firewall, but it's sort of a hybrid of all these things. We're gonna unbox it, we're gonna plug it in, set it up, show you some quick features in this quick unboxing video. So first things first, let's talk about the box. It says Trend Micro Home Network Security. Of course, you've heard of Trend Micro. They are known for their antivirus software and one that's one of the trusted names out there. This right here is just going to be some hardware. It doesn't replace your router, but it actually works in conjunction with your router. It's very simple to set up. You just plug it into your router and that's really it. So it protects, manages, and controls. So let's say you have someone accessing your network. You can turn off the internet, or you can set up some permissions to filter certain websites and all those things like parental controls and all these things. And I'll show you in the app, but the back is just kind of showing you how all these devices in your house, you can control them, give them access, remove access, and all those cool things. So let's go ahead and open the box up right now. Okay, here it is inside the box, the Trend Micro hardware. On the back, we have this little QR code, and we also have our power adapter port, and also we have our LAN, and we have a reset switch too. So very simple, self-explanatory, not much going on with the hardware. And then we'll go ahead and go a step further. This is the getting started page right here. So the getting started page is just gonna tell you how to set it up. You plug it in, wait for the light to turn green, install the app, type in our pairing code at the bottom. You can install the app by taking a picture of the QR code, or you can simply go to your store to download it as well. And then we have our Ethernet cord. Obviously, this is what will plug into your router. It goes from the box to the router. And then we have our power adapter. Very simple. Open this guy up. Very simple power adapter, plugs right into your wall. Okay, that's very simple. So all we're gonna do now is plug it in, install the application, and we're gonna see how the application works. And I'm gonna kind of give you a quick rundown of all that stuff. Okay. I am back. I just got everything installed, and everything is running good so far. So let's dig into this application a little bit. So right now I have 60 devices currently protected, and I have 72 total devices. Some devices are not online. You know, I have smart bulbs in my house, and some of the smart bulbs are turned off. So, well, a lot of stuff that I have in the app that's not currently online just because of that. So you may see a couple things that's not working. I also set up some parental controls, and I'll show you that in a little bit too. So let's kind of go over the main page here and show you some stuff you can do really fast. So of course, device is protected. It tells you. Also, you have a summary of what happened. I had one web threat blocked, and also there's 72 total devices and 37 inappropriate blocked or websites visited. So I set up parental controls to kind of play around with it and sort of see how that works too. So under family members, you can have family members and you can protect them just by adding their devices into this bucket. So as you can see with me, I have the ability to do several things. So number one, I have a report. The report tells me exactly the things that I've done. So as you can see, I was trying to communicate to media websites and shopping and entertainment sites. I set up parental controls to block me from doing those things. And you can see right here, there's kind of a report telling me which device it was and also how I communicated with there. Also, I can then block YouTube, and I can block the internet just by pressing one button. So let's say you have a kid acting up, they didn't finish their homework. You just come in here and press bam, pause the internet, and they no longer can get online, which is actually very helpful and very useful. Under settings, this is where you can dive in and do more as far as like parental controls and filtering and things like that. So I can go into filtering, and then under filtering, they have these templates. So the templates would say like child up to 7, preteen, and teen. And based off these filters right here, it will allow or disallow web pages. Or you can come into here very, specific and say, all right, I want to block anything controversial, want to block anything shopping, entertainment. All those things you can do in here. So you can set the age level and filter categories too. Also, you can set time limits. So you can say, okay, on certain days, I want you to access the internet between 5 and 8. After 8 p.m., you cannot access the internet. And you can do that here just from these menus here and setting up all these rules and setting up examples. It's really nice. And you can also set up time limits specifically for YouTube, not my videos, but specifically for YouTube, and limit the internet in general. and that includes online games as well. So these are actually some very helpful things you can do to prevent your kids from overusing the internet and just doing things they're not supposed to do online. Under devices, these are all devices that are assigned to me, and you can click on each device and get more information about this specific device and get the report on this device as well. Okay, the next page down, we have top attacked devices. So on my NVIDIA device, there was actually a attack. Actually went to a malicious website on purpose, and you can see that it was actually attacked. And I can see this stuff right here. It tells me that it was a scam, what time it happened, what day it happened, and that it let me know that it was actually blocked, which is definitely cool to see. And also you get a notification when these things are blocked as well. Also has network usage here at the bottom too. Under dashboard, there's a few more things like a timeline. You can select specific devices, or you can even go back to this family mode. This is how you add a person or remove a person. Under network, you can see important network information. You can see which devices have used the most internet in the last 7 days or the last 30 days. And this goes for download and upload as well. And then of course you have voice control. If you have an Amazon product or a Google Home product, you can use those to tell it to do certain things right from your voice, so you don't have to pop into an app. You can just tell it to pause the internet for a certain person if you want to do that. Anyways, guys, just a very quick unboxing, kind of showing you this cool home security system setup. And of course, Trim Micro did sponsor this video, so a big thanks to them. Just give me a chance to unbox it and show it to you guys. This retails for $149, but I've seen it as low as $109 on Amazon. Of course, my link down below will give you the most updated pricing from what I've seen online, so definitely check that out if you are interested. Anyways, guys, Kevin the Tech Ninja, thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment, hit subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.